This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER showtime, The Wiz. The Wiz became a musical sensation on Broadway. Making it into a motion picture has added another exciting dimension. Stars like Diana Ross and Lena Horne make this uptown version of The Wizard of Oz into a new classic. The Cowardly Lion, the Scarecrow and the Tin Man help Dorothy find an emerald city full of today. The action is now. The feeling is present. Join our friends on the yellow brick road. The Wiz is back one more time. Enjoy the Wiz in brilliant color and exciting 3D. VIEW-MASTER Reel 1. Picture 1. The Snowstorm. Picture 2. Munchkin Land. Picture 3. Meet the Scarecrow. Picture 4. Ease on down the road. Picture 5. Meet the Tin Man. Picture 6. Meet the mean old lion. Picture 7. Dorothy's new friends. VIEW-MASTER Reel 2. Picture 1. Here comes the evil peddler. Picture 2. Watch out! Run! Run! Picture 3. In your own way, be a lion. Picture 4. Emerald City at last. Picture 5. Let's go! Meet the Wiz. Picture 6. The Wiz. Picture 7. The Wiz says, destroy the witch. VIEW-MASTER Reel 3. Picture 1. Eveline's sweatshop. Picture 2. The Flying Monkeys. Picture 3. Victory at last. Picture 4. The Wiz is a phony. Picture 5. Will our wishes come true? Picture 6. Glinda grants wishes. Picture 7. Dorothy says goodbye. We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up.